Hello dear students, I hope that everybody is busy in their daily routine work. Your daily routine work also include the study part, your exercises, your yoga, your diet plan and of course your sleeping plan and your water intake too. Because the summer is what started, so we need to keep ourselves fit, healthy, happy. We need to take care of ourselves. So this is what the our side contribution to our family. So at least our parents can be free from our side. Yes, we are taking our care. So we can take one can take one's care. So it will be what the burden of the head of the family will reduce. So this is what one of the way that you can contribute to your parent. So with this hope that everybody is taking care of oneself and contributing to the family, we should go ahead once again in your own channel, that is what Maths Mega. We are on the second chapter of the grade 11, that is relations and functions. In the introductory part, we have seen the various components that what we are going to study in this topic. Then the second video was based on the exercise number 2.1, which we have solved successfully and happily. Right now, we will be working on exercise number 2.2. Now, exercise number 2.2 is based on somewhat kind of relations, right? We have started the chapter with Cartesian product. Cartesian product means what? The two sets, one element from first set, second element from second set. Then right now we will be discussing relation. What is a relation? A relation is what? A set of commands or a set of actions that we are going to do. Simply here all the formulas are nothing but the relations. Okay, relations, and then it will become a function. But right now we will not be talking about the function. Here we will be just concentrating on relations. Relation means whatever the command. You must have done some programs on computer. If simply on your calculator also, if you press the button 5 plus 2, okay, that is what 7. So you have given the relation of what? Addition. So that will we are going to see here. Let's see what is the first sum. Let a is equal to 1 2 3 till 14. Okay, let me write down what is given. Set a is equal to 1 2 3 and till what? 14. Then what? Define the relation R. Okay, what is given? The relation R from A to A. How to read it? R means relation. Okay, this colon means defined on. A means first set. Arrow means 2. Another set is what? Whatever it is. So it is what? Relation defined on A to A. Means from set A to set A itself. Okay, what? How it is? It should be equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, and this x comma y need to be from A only. Okay, now one more kind of what sometimes it happens with the student, they used to take any value from first set and they find out the other value. Normally it is like this only, but what we have to take care is whatever x we will take, we will get what? 1 y. That y should be also from what? A. It means that y should be from 1 to 14. If you are getting the answer 15, it means that is not from this set A. In that time, it will not be a member of this relation. Okay, now let's see. And after that, what? Write its domain, codomain, and range. What is domain? Domain is the elements of the first set. Codomain means what? All the elements of the second set. Okay, and what is range? Whatever the numbers will follow the relation, that will be the range. Now let's see how to write it. Now first thing is what? What is given? X is equal to, or x comma y is equal to what? 3x minus y is equal to 0. Or if you will observe this, can we write this as 3x is equal to y? It will become somewhat simple. Okay, so whenever you will take x you will get, you have to multiply it by 3 to get y. Now what? X means what? These numbers. So 3 into x, 3, that will become y. So 3, yes. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. But as soon as we will go to 5, that is 5 3s are 15. 15 is equal to y. Does 15 belongs to this set? No. So it means that we cannot go beyond 1 2 3 4. Okay. So therefore the elements are, or therefore 3x minus y can be written as 3x is equal to what? Y. Therefore for x is equal to 1, what will we get? 3 ones are 3, that is equal to 3 belongs to A. Same thing, 3 twos are 6. Okay, because this is what? X. This I am writing the value is what? X. So 3 twos are 6, it is belongs to 8. Okay. Then third one, x is equal to 3. That is 3 into 3, 9. It is also a member of A. If you will go 4, then 3 into 4, that is equal to 12, is also an element of what? A only. As soon as we will go to 5, when we will write 3 5s are 15, it doesn't belong to A. Means the chain is what? Broken. Okay. So in that case, R such that relation from A to A in the way where x comma y can be given in this way, 3x minus y is equal to 0 can be given as or is equal to x comma y belongs to A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Because whenever you will take x is equal to 1, you will get the another number or the same set. Okay, the same set can be written as, because we need an ordered pair. So whenever you will take x is equal to what? 1, you will get 3. Whenever you will take 2, you will get 6. Whenever you will get 3, whenever you will take 3, you will get 9, and 4 3s are 12. These are what? The elements. Okay. Now codomain is also what? A only, because set of all elements. But in case of range, right? In case of range, what will happen? In case of range, it will be 3 6 9 and 12. 3 6 9 and 12. Okay. 3 6 9 and 12. Okay. So this is what the sum of the, sorry, this is what the answer of the first sum here only. Now what? Sum number 2. Quite simple. Let's go ahead. Now what? Define R by on natural number. So what is this? Given a relation on natural number. What is n? Natural number such that what is equal to, such that x comma y such a way that the y is equal to what? X plus 5. Y means second element. How you can get second element? X plus 5. Adding 5 into the first element, and x belongs to n, which is what? Less than 4. Means natural number 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 number you are going to take. Then depict this relation using a roster form. Means we have to write, depict means we have to write it in a roster form, then arrow diagram, then write the domain, codomain and range. Let's see. First need to define it in this way. Okay, therefore x comma y, what it is, where y is equal to x plus 5, and clearly they have given that x is equal to 1 to 3 only. Okay, so for x is equal to 1, give the arrow is 1 plus 5, that is equal to what? 6, right? Here you can write down x, and here you can write down here x and here y. So whenever it is 2, that is 2 plus 5 7. Whenever it is 3, x is equal to 3, it is what? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now obviously you cannot take 4 because it is less than 4, not less than or equal to. number. So here only you have to stop. So what you are going to get? You are going to get that 6, 7 and 8. X you can take only 3 numbers. Therefore a relation R from which is what defined on natural number n is x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5 where x comma y belongs to n and x belongs to what n less than 4 can be given as your first element 1, so your second element is what 6. If you will take 2 you will get 7. If you will take 3 you will get what 8. Okay, so again what is told, depict the relation using a roster form. Now set builder form and roster form. What is roster form? Every element you have to write by using comma. Okay, so R n can be given as all the element is what like this, that is again 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. Now what is the domain here? Domain is equal to n because natural number you are going to use. Codomain is also what? N only. But what about your range? Range is equal to 6, 7 and 8. So again 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now sum number 3. What is that? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. And what is B? B is also given that 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Relation is given on from A to B such that x comma y such that the difference is what x minus y. Now difference is what x minus y. Difference of x comma y is an odd number. Okay, and x means the first element belongs to A and y belongs to second element B. Okay, so here R is equal to, again something more is given, write R in a roster form, so we'll write it. So first let's find out the R. What can R be? Okay, x comma y such that your first number and that is what the difference between the two numbers need to be what? Odd. They are not asking about plus and minus. The number should be difference means what? The difference should be odd. Difference is asked. X minus y is not asked. So if I will take 1, okay, now what? 1 minus 4 is what? 3. Because minus 3 or 3 it works. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I am going to get this required relation because the difference between 1 and 4 is what? 3, which is odd. The difference between 1 and 6 is also what? 5. That is what? Odd. What about the difference between 1 and 9? It is even because 8. So done. 2 minus 4. The difference between 2 and 4 is what? 2. Even. Difference between 2 and 6 is again even. Difference between 2 and 9 is what? 7, which is what? Odd. So 2 comma 9 will come. So difference between 3 comma 4 odd. 3 comma 6 is again odd. 3 comma 9, which is what? Even. Okay. So 5 comma 4. That is 5 minus 4. Difference between 5 and 4 is what? 1 odd. Difference between 5 and 6 is also what? Odd. What is difference between 5 and 9? It is 4, which is even. So that element will not come. So we have taken all the elements. After that, what is told that this one difference of x and y is what? X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. So we have written R in a roster form. What is sum number 4? Two diagrams are given. Figure shows the relationship between the two sets P and Q. Write its relation in roster form. Now just observe it and then try to find out the relation. What is that? If you will take one element 5 from P, it it shows 3. 6, 4, 7, 5. If you will observe, it is can be written as P minus 2 is equal to what? Q. Right? That is P minus Q means 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So that only what we have got the relation. Now write its relation in a roster form, okay, in a set builder form, and then what is its domain and range. Now what is roster form? Where every element you are going to write it in the way of what? Comma. I am putting the comma. So here what? Relation from P to Q. Here it is defined as x comma y such that x comma y or p comma 2 anyhow such that x minus 2 is equal to y and your x belongs to p, y belongs to q. Right? X minus 2 is equal to y, x belongs to p and y belongs to q. Now what is your r here? Your r is equal to 5 comma 3. Then 6 comma 4 and then 7 comma 5. Every element came by comma. So this is what our first answer, that is in a roster form. Now R in set builder form. How can you write R in a set builder form? It is a Cartesian product, that is x comma y, such that difference between or y is what? 2 less than the x, you can say, or simply the relation only such that x minus 2 is equal to y. This is what the roster form only, where x belongs to p and y belongs to q. Is nothing but roster form. The is nothing but in the set builder form, which is what required for formula. Now what is that? What is the domain? What is domain here? The set of all the first elements. So what are the first element? 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7, or simply you can write down T. Then what is the range? Range is equal to what? 3, 4 and 5, or simply it is what? Q. Now some number 5. What is that? Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 6. Then R is a relation defined on A to A, means a set itself, such that A comma B, where A belongs to A and A divides B. Both A and B belongs to A should be. So what is given? Given thing is what? A such that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Then R is what? Relation from A to A such that R is equal to A comma B, where A divides B. A divides B, and both A comma B belongs to A. Okay, now let's show it first. What will be the elements of A comma B or R relation? A comma B such that A divides B. A divides B. Okay, so A should be the factor and B should be the multiple. So obviously 1 divides all the elements. 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 4 and 1 divides 6 also. So this will be the element, that is 1 divides 1, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 4 and then 1 divides 6 also. Now 1 is over. As A, 1 is over. Now as A we will take 2. Now 2 divides 1? No. 2 divides 2? Yes. 2 divides 2. 2 divides 3? No. 2 divides 4? Yes. And then 2 divides 6 also. So 2 is also over. Now think about 3. 3 doesn't divide 1 and 2. So it will not come. But 3 divides 3. 3 doesn't divide 4. 3 divides 6. Then 4. 4 doesn't divide any of the number, only except what? 4. So 4 divides 4. And the last one is what? 6 divides 6. So these are what? The elements of the relation R. After that, write R in a roster form, which already we have written. Find the domain and the range. Now what is domain? Domain is the set of all the first element. Okay, so what are the first element? Here it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. It means the same set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, or directly you can write it as A also. And again, what is range? Range is nothing but the set of second element. But here again you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 means what? Again same set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, that is what? 8. So the next sum, that is sum number 6. Determine domain and the range of R such that what is given? The relation set is equal to x such that x plus 5 and x belongs to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now R is what? Any number, real number you can take now, and the element of relation will be x means what? This number you have to take, that is 0. Now what? 0 plus 5. So this is what? X you have taken 0, so 0 plus 5 is what? 5. Now second number you will take 1, 1 plus 5 is what? 6. Now 2 you will take, 2 plus 5 is what? 7. You will take 3, 3 plus 5 is what? 8. You will take 4, 4 plus 5 is what? 9. And then 5, 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is what? 10. So these are what the elements of the set. After that, what? Write in a roster form. We have done already. Okay, determine the domain and the range. What is domain? Domain is nothing but the set of all the first element. So what are the first element? Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and what is the next one? Range. Range means what? The second element of the relation set. That is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and what? 10. Sum is what? Quite simple. Domain, range, in this only you have to find out. So let's go on some number next, that is sum number 8. Let A is equal to x, y, z. Given that x, y, z, b is equal to 1, 2. Okay, b is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relation from A into B. Now before finding the relation, we need to find out what is A cross B or A into B. As we have discussed already, A into B is what? A Cartesian set, Cartesian product, where the first element x will go with both the elements, that is x, 1, x, 2. Then y, 1, y, 2. Then z, 1 and z, 2. Right? These are what? The number of sets. That is what? Number of elements. So number of A cross B is equal to what? 6. What they are telling? Find out the number of relations. Now every relation is what? The subset of this one. It means we are finding the number of subsets, and you know that number of relation or the number of subsets can be found out by using 2 raised to n. So it means that 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 6, which is equal to what? 2, 4, then 8, 16, 32 and 64. So number of relations are what? 64. Let's do the last sum, that is sum number 9. What it is? Let R be the relation on Z. Z means what? Integers defined by A, B. R is relation from Z to Z, where R is defined as A, B such that B belongs to Z, A, B belongs to Z in an integer, and then A minus B is an integer. Is an integer. Okay, right? Then find the domain and the range. Now directly domain and the range they are asking. So if you will think about the domain, now if you will take the set of integer, that is all the negative number, 0 and positive number, and if you will do the subtraction of this number, means 5 minus 2, 3, 0 minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2. Okay, minus 4, minus of minus 2 will be minus 2. Means anyhow, if you will take any two integer and if you will subtract the two integers, always you will be getting what? Integer only. So in this case, your domain will be what? Z only, that is what the integer, and even your range, the second element, will be again what? Integer. Okay, so this is what the last sum of exercise number 2.2. In this exercise, we have discussed about the relations, then domain, codomain, and the range. Okay, these all four are what very simple to understand. Relation means what? It is a kind of what statement or the kind of action which you are going to do. Whatever is according to the defined. Okay, whatever is asked, that only you are doing. That is what the relation. Then what is domain? Domain is the set of all the elements of the first element of the relation. Okay, what is domain? Domain is the set of all the first elements of the Cartesian product. What is codomain? Codomain will be the set B, means the second set, the complete second set will be what? Codomain. And then what is range? Range is from that codomain only, but it is sometimes can be the full elements, all the elements. Or second time, it will be according to the relation. It will be, the range will be the set of all the second element of the Cartesian product. Okay, so this is what all about your relation, codomain, domain, and the range. So here only we are going to stop, but need to take care of yourself and of course your family member, and need to enjoy your maths at of course your own channel, that is what Maths Mela. So let's wait for the next video at Maths Mela. Till that, be at home, be safe. Thank you.